If you're looking to make a home decor cash cow channel, which will be going over in just a few seconds, I want to let you know congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or if it gets the red light. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. Check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link to the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a home decor niche channel, I want to start out by showing you guys a great one so we can start drawing some inspiration from. Let's go switch over to viewer mode and let's go start investigating on YouTube. Now we gotta be thinking, what was someone interested in the home decor niche? What would they be looking at? So as I looked up the coolest things for your room, the first 3 videos that came out, we can pick any one of them because I don't see that there's a personality behind the channel just yet. So I'm gonna just go with the first one. So as we click on the video, it already shows just some cool gadgets that you could instantly put in your phone. These are like some lava lamps. There's also some speakers that light up with the music. And this is a cool gadget as it just shows different pixelated images that you're just trying to show off in your room. Oh, and the cool thing is that you could connect it to an app and you could literally create your own pixelated animation. There's also most likely a voiceover going over on top of the video, narrating what the different gadget does to you, the special features that it has. And this is another great one. This is kind of like a smoke river, and it's just showing different clips that you can easily download or obtain from other websites as well to include in your video. Now let's go check out the video's performance to see how it's been doing. This video has reached over 1.5 million views. Not too shabby, right, for going viral. And the channel itself is getting close to that 500,000 mark in subscribers. And the video has great engagement as it has over 400 comments. Now let's go check out the channel to see if it has even more home decor tips, and let's go see if it has any more information so I can pimp out my man cave. As I go on the channel homepage, basically this channel is just showing you the different types of gadgets that you should be viewing. They're just interesting gadgets that you don't see in your everyday life, and they're giving you a reason why you should buy them as well. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Feel free to comment down below. What is your favorite home decoration? Now let's go check out this channel's monetization. Let's go check out how many views this channel has been gaining and how much money they've been making in and just ad revenue all alone. So if I go into this website, I can now view the channel stats. As I scroll down, we can see that this channel has been gaining in over 6 million views in just the past 30 days, which is a great accomplishment to be achieving. Shout out to this channel. So that does tell me that your chances of going viral with one of these videos as well is very likely, and that there's a large audience interested in the type of content that this channel is producing. Now, if we go a little bit more to the left, we could check out their monthly earnings, and they're getting close to that 25K mark as they're reaching those 5 figures throughout the month and just people watching the ads on their videos. Now, if we go into the yearly earnings, this channel is reaching the 6-figure mark as they're getting close to that $300,000 mark. Not too shabby if you're just uploading content of just the different home decor or different gadgets in your room. If you are enjoying the content so far, I'd appreciate you guys showing some love with a thumbs up. Now let's go check out just how easy these videos are to make. Let's go get our sounds and our free stock footage and let's go start putting it together. And no, you don't even need to buy a lava lamp to get started to make these videos. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Making a video is easier than cleaning your own room. Now it's time to go over, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or does it get the red light? I would say that the home decor niche does get the green light stamp of approval. There are just an endless amount of products and home decor things that you can be including in your type of content. You even have freedom with the way that you present this content, as you can be pimping out somebody else's room, showing like before and after, or you could be talking about the home decor objects themselves as well. And you can create a second stream of income by just promoting those products, including affiliate links in the description of your content. A bonus is that these videos are easy to make and YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. Now, I would say the videos that we went over in this video, I would suggest to use them as inspiration. Try to be as original as you can with creating your own content. And let's say this niche wasn't even for you. Don't worry about it because we're going to be going over other niches in future content. But let's say that this is the niche for you. You now have 2 options. You have option A. You can do this yourself. You can start your own cash cow channel, but you also run into the possibility of wasting your time as you're going to try and figure out how to do YouTube correctly. And you have option B. You can have the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If you would like access to that step-by-step guide, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're going to be exploring the next niche to see if it gets the green light stamp of approval or if it gets the red light. Subscribe to Tube Great if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out that YouTube Freedom Blueprint, as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. Peace out.